Welcome to the world of photography. Since many years you are carrying tripods with your heavy lenses. Do you get the freedom of shooting around in all directions instantly? Are you having to constrain yourself by sitting at one place and shoot in limited vision field? Are you missing shots of birds in motion, animals beside you, behind you? If your answer is yes, then here comes Body Armour. Body Armour liberates you from all the problems. It not only liberates you from carrying heavy tripods but actually gives you freedom of moving around along with your heavy lenses and camera body. You don't miss the favorite shots that you wanted to click anymore. You can move around in any direction, in fraction of seconds. Body Armour comes with reliable joints, proper padded support on the shoulders and back, designed to take heavy load of prime lenses. What more can a photography enthusiast ask for? You can swing to action clicking your favorite shot with all the ease and movement.